Let me show you how to design a poster in Adobe Photoshop. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Choose the black color and then press OK. Choose the Type tool. This is the font that I am using. Write the letter Z. Follow this process. This is the font that I am using. Duplicate this layer like this. Let's change its color. Let's make it a bit bigger and adjust its position like this. Now choose the Marquee Selection tool. Follow these steps. Add a layer mask. Hold Ctrl and click on the mask to make a selection. Choose this layer. Press Ctrl-I to invert the selection. Add a layer mask. Now drag your photo to Photoshop. Hold Alt and click here to create a clipping mask. Let's group these two layers. Rename the group. Let's color it. Hold Ctrl and click on the mask to create a selection. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Choose the black color and then press OK. Go to Layer Style and choose Drop Shadow. Follow these settings. This is the shadow that we have made. Reduce the fill to 0%. We only need the shadow from this layer. Now add your paragraph here. I have already made the text. This is the font that I am using. Let's align it with this letter. Follow this process. Choose the Type tool and write your text. Let's put it on top of the layers. Let's put it right here and adjust its size accordingly. Now choose the Vertical Type tool. Write your text. Follow this process. Now choose the Rectangle tool. Follow these settings. Hold Shift and draw a square. Choose the Marquee Selection tool. Select this part of the square. Add a layer mask. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel. Leave your comments below if you have any questions.